Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of a new week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals for the entire week. And looking at this week, this is what we have. Today at 3 p.m. Ghana time, we have ISM manufacturing PMI, and we are expecting negative news. Tomorrow, at what time? Tomorrow at 1:15 Ghana time, we're expecting ADP. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so tomorrow we have no news actually. There's no news on USD tomorrow. On Wednesday at 1:15 Ghana time, ADP non-farm, and we're expecting negative news. Should we expect negative NFP as well? Time will tell. All right, and on Wednesday at 2:45, final service PMI. We are expecting neutral. 3 p.m. ISM service PMI. We are expecting positive. Yep. On Thursday, unemployment claims. We're expecting positive as well. And then on Friday, NFP. So average hourly earnings, we're expecting negative. Non-farm, we're expecting positive. Unemployment rate, we're expecting neutral. Right. So we're expecting a positive NFP. But looking at the data here, it's going to be a mixed news. All right. So we just need to be careful on Friday. And also at 5:30, Fed Chair Paul speaks. All right. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. First of all, let me take you to monthly time frames since it's a beginning of a new month. All right. And if you look at gold, this is it. I actually did an analysis. That's why you see those lines, but let me clear everything so I take you through together. And if you look at monthly time frame, you can see the monthly breakout. And last month did not retest. Okay. We did not see a retest. Instead, it was a continuation buy. And it got strong rejection. Right. Yeah, after hitting 29.55, it got strong rejection and closed at 28.60 or so, 28.58. All right. So what is likely to happen? Are we going to see a retest to the breakout for a continuation push due to the rejection? Or are we going to see the market pushing up again? What is likely to happen? Or are we also going to see a breakout for it to come to this level as well, 26? What do you think? We don't think. I keep saying we don't think. We just see. So per what I see here, there is a possibility that the market will test the 27.47 or 27.50 level, 27.40 for a continuation push to the upside. At the same time, it can also come and test only 27.97 or 27.90 level for another push to the upside. Why 27.97? 27.90 zone? Because of the previous candle open and close. All right, it formed a support right there. So when I take you to weekly time frame, this is what we have on weekly. So that level I was talking about just a few seconds ago is this high, okay? That high, and here you can see that rejection. Yes. So the market can still push down to this level right here and get rejected and fly, or can come to this breakout and fly. All we need to do is to exercise patience. But if the market decides to fly down, then there is a possibility that it will test this demand and fly. All right, according to weekly time frame, it can test this demand. This is a rally-based rally, so it can test and fly. If not, we just watch and see. So this is our weekly resistance. This is our weekly breakout. So expected a retest. All right. And looking at the candle closure, you can see a strong bearish engulfing. So possibility that the market drops is about 70%, 60 to 70, 65, 70%. All right. Now let's go to daily time frame. According to weekly, it is about 70, 65 to 70%. But when you come to daily time frame, what is happening in daily? If you look at daily, you can see that daily is also sitting on a strong support, on a support level. This is it, right? Daily is sitting on this support. Is it going to respect or is going to break? Time will tell. For now, we can't say. And for it to respect or break, for us to see, there is also this level the market is likely. It has even tested. Almost. It almost tested it, but it didn't really test. Right. Yeah. So if the market breaks that level, which is 28.79, 28.80, then possibility we can fly back to 29.17. All right. If not, it will keep flying, selling down and breaks this level. So if daily candle closes below 28.54, then we should expect the daily demand zone right here at 27.93 to be tested for a continuation push, or it will drop all the way to 27.47, 27.50, zone 60 over here for another push. All right. So all we need to do is to exercise patience and watch closely, see what will happen. Once we get a good opportunity, we can go into the market and pick some trades. Now, H4, if you look at H4, you can see we have a strong breakout right here. You have a strong breakout. So are we going to test the breakout like this before a fall, or are we going to break this level? If we break this level, then the market can fly back here and probably drops, or can even fly, break, and continuation fly. All right. So guys, all we need to do is to just sit back and watch and see what is really going to happen. Once we get the opportunity, we can go into the market and trade. All right. So H1 time frame. H1. What is happening in H1? If you look at H1, you can see that yeah. We have H1. I will monitor this zone. Okay. Probably we can get a double bottom formation for the market to go higher. At the same time, I will monitor this zone. Okay, so I'll monitor these zones and see what is really going to happen. Okay, and since today being Monday, the market needs to move and adjust itself. So we just need to watch, observe. Once we get a clear indication, clear directions, we can go into the market and click some trades. Until then, we just need to sit back and watch. All right. Yeah. So guys, this is all I see about the gold market this morning. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. And if you haven't, follow me on TikTok as well. Make sure you follow me so that you don't miss any update. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio. The link is in the description if you are watching on YouTube. This is Paper Hunter here, and the people must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.